They just tied my sand under there, so let's have a little bit of fun. That was wet, but a lot of fun.
Hey everyone, coming to you today from Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and we're at the Holiday Inn, and I want to show you what is probably the best indoor pool I've ever seen for a hotel. Now keep in mind, this is not a water park pool, but they actually have their own indoor water park, so let's go check it out.
I don't think you hear me, but this is pretty incredible. There's no extra charge for this. It's free to use when you stay at the hotel. And this wasn't even advertised. They just happened to discover it once we arrived here. It's got to be the best indoor hotel pool I've ever seen. It's got multiple slides and that huge dump bucket. Lily's up there, Jill's up there, and I'm going to get myself in there and probably take you down one of the slides with me. So let's take a closer look at it and have a little bit of fun. Let's take a walk up there and maybe we'll go down one of the slides. Thankfully my phone's waterproof, so I don't have to worry about that. Alright, let's go down this one here. On the yellow water slide, and I'll give you a first-person view here, or I should say a view of myself. Here we go. Probably going down his first. Here we go. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that look at the indoor pool and water park at the Holiday Inn here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I had a lot of fun, hope you did as well. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. If you're passing through the area or even going to stay in the area, I highly recommend you stay here at the park Water park area is included with your room, no extra cost or admission. So if you're new to my channel and want to see more videos just like this one, subscribe and ring that notification bell. That way you get alerts each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.